So, looks like someone's awake. How have you been? Oh, I forgot you can't answer me. 'Cause you're gagged. Anyway. You're probably wondering what you are doing here. Well, the answer is very simple. I just wanted to have a bit of fun. I just wanted to kidnap you. For no other reason than my own entertainment. So, in case you're wondering, in case you don't really know who I am, my name is Mrs. J. But my friends call me nothing, because I don't have any friends. I'm not into that. Talking about friends, where are yours, sunshine? Yeah, where are they right now? I mean, you're in a predicament, aren't you? And yet, I don't think your friends give you a single phone call. I mean, we could check. Your phone is still with you, in your pocket. I didn't bother with that. I'm not too much into technology, or what have you. No, I'm not interested in that. You can keep your phone. Maybe later you can have your phone call. You know, when I'm done with you, if you're still, how can I put this? Sentient. So, I don't even know your name, actually. Ah, wait a minute. I don't really care. Why would I bother with such simple things? Harvey, what is it? I already told you to knock before you come in. What is the matter? I hope you have a good reason to bother me right now. Can't you see I'm busy? I told you many times, Harvey, dear. When I am in my room, I do not wish to be disturbed. I thought you got it by now. I mean, you lost a few teeth last time, didn't you, dear? Now that's right. Yes, go back. Wise choice, Harvey dear. While I'm talking to our guest right here, our little guest. Can you hear? It's raining. I love weather like that. Don't you? Oh, I forgot you can't answer me. How silly. I can be quite silly sometimes, can't I? No. Oh, you're probably thinking about the old bat. That BatGirl. I'm not concerned with her right now. Actually, she is probably busy somewhere else. We're not going to bother her with that, shall we? We're just going to have a little tete-a-tete, you and me. You and old Mrs. J. We have so many things to talk about. I mean, so many things I have to talk about, and you can listen to me while I'll do my thing. BatGirl is not gonna bother with someone tried like you. I mean, I'm sure you are a very nice person at the end of the day, but you know, a commoner. So I think I am ready for this session. What do you say? Oops, you're gagged. Well, let's begin, shall we?